Recently, Brighter Cleaning Solutions secured a rather large high-level project to clean this place behind me, the Brick Community Stadium, which is at home to both the Wigan Athletic Football and Wigan Warriors Rugby League teams. It's also been 3 years since the place had a deep full-scale clean from top to bottom. So we were brought in to get this place gleaming once again and ready in time for both the upcoming 25-26 seasons. Before we commenced, we did a full survey around the stadium to weigh up the extent of the job, equate a reasonable cost, and then figure out the best solution on how we're going to tackle it professionally. Immediately, from our findings, you could obviously tell that unlike the south, north and west stands, the east side was clearly the grimiest, which was due to multiple factors that had built up the dirt over time. These said elements had also affected the other stands as well, but it made clear sense to us that we should be focusing our attention on the worst area first. Obviously, from the outset, there was a lot for us to do on arrival, but by having an organised system in place beforehand, we managed to make a lot of progress on our first outing, steadily working across the west stand's upper tier and lower entranceways, treating and jet washing it as we go, to the point that we actually managed to get half of it done by the day's end, and you could instantly see the difference the wash had made to the outside of the building.
This anyway is only the beginning of the project, so make sure you check in later for the next video in the series to see how it all progresses.